Hey guys, Cody with Flynn's Painting TV. This is a part 3 of 3 of our fallen ceiling repair. Fixing to caulk the bigger gaps that exceeds the trim, sander trim, and paint the trim out and do our ceiling squares in here. And we're going to be painting and completing this big room today, and also doing some final repairs to these smaller rooms. Okay, we went through and done our second application and cut all that stuff out in the previous video. We've got one more spot right here, and now these bigger gaps are floating out flush with the ceiling, which is really good. I'm gonna let this dry, take a lunch break, and drop back and did a little paint decks in here and there where we had some cracking out, had to cut it out, and our paint decks is drying. We've done this process all the way through here. See, some of these patches are now white down through there, going in this direction now. Going in this room, third pull eliminated in this room on all these seams that were cracked. Gotta cut this out, repeat the same thing, and follow suit in my kitchen, and then we'll sand and get to paint. So about 5-6 o'clock in the evening, we're sanding these patches, getting them all ready, being paint within the hour, and we'll finally start seeing some progress. So we're finally cutting and rolling our ceiling. We got our trim double coated, caulked, puttied, and she's looking really nice. We're going to get ceiling paint next. See how this color flows in with the walls. This is Dairy Bell White with a satin. We're using super paint interior, and this is the end result after trimming our Dairy Bell satin white around our 1x5s and cutting and rolling our dead flat extra white on our ceiling squares. We also cut and rolled the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, as well as the hallway. And this is the last day. We're mopping and cleaning up the floors and working our way out. And this is the end results. Part 3 of 3 of our falling ceiling repair. Flynn's Painting TV out of Asheville, North Carolina. Find us on Facebook and Google. Flynn's Painting Company, 828-490-3623.